In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot and click onto this marketplace icon. Now, click onto this HubSpot marketplace. Once you have done that, this will open right here our marketplace. So click onto this search bar right here and search right there for Facebook ads. So in here, you can see Facebook, but you can also add right here Facebook ads, or in some cases, Meta ads. So click onto this right here. Now, as you can see, it's HubSpot certified application. So scroll down and click onto this install. It will open right here this new tab, wherein you can see the portal recommended for this case. Just choose right here the account that you wish to use. Click onto this continue with this account. After that, this will direct you back right there at your ad account. And then after that, just wait for this to load as well. You should be able to see it right here. So click on this get started with ads. Then from in there, this will open the onboarding wizard. So you can actually connect your Facebook ads right here. Just right here, Facebook. Then this will open right here, this window. So this window will prompt you to actually connect your Facebook account. So you can use your Facebook as your actual ads. Click onto this continue. You will be prompted to sign up as well, but since I'm already logged in, I can just continue right there. Once it's done, it should be able to connect those two together, and it will load as well out of this case. You can just choose right here your ad account that you can use, click on connect, and after that, as you can see, it's now successfully connected. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.